broke his wrist trying to stop the reckless riders.
Jamie Kennedy is live at the Atlanta Police Air Unit, and Jamie, this group is creating chaos on the roads and endangering other drivers, right?
Yeah, absolutely. When we went to Clayton County.
More department.
When we went to Clayton County.
More department.
But I ain't running after you.
Goddamn train.
Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
Bruh.
Who going in the woods? Not me. Yo, she be. Not me.
We're gonna get it pulled down.
What's going on, man? So we back, and I got a good little segment to drop real quick in the middle of this video. So shout out my dog Nate, RM Nate. He got a job at Yamaha now, so it might be Yamaha Nate in a minute. You did, but anyway, he brought a great question to me. He was like, "Shit, bro, what all you don't put in that bike, huh?" He's like, "Shit, you done touched everything, right?" I'm like, "Basically." So I'm gonna break down what I done did since, I done started to rebuild and all that good stuff that I got it, So we're gonna go from there. Inside out, because I feel like you gotta do the inside, get the inside running good, get it, and then beautify it. Don't pull out there with the limit. I ain't gonna curse the bike or nobody bike, but I was like, let me get the inside right. But anyway, coming from the inside, I put a brand new hot rod crank in there. Brand new guy. Then I put a new top in, Vertex, with the synthetic wall on it a little bit, I had the Wisco in there, it's back there. But Vertex top in there, all the clutches and shit, OEM brand new reordered, everything in there, OEM. We got the Pro Circuit exhaust, manifold exhaust. I got the FMF one back there too, the fatty gold. Going into the back, we got the FMF exhaust back there, hanging on to that. We got the regular brakes, nothing spectacular. I just did the brake cover over a little, that's about it. Up on the clutch lever, I went Pro Taper up with the adjustable lever and adjustable. If you start losing a little slack, hit it up. Pick up the gain, you can slack it back down however you want. But yeah, I got that Pro Taper on there. Pro Taper bars, the contours with the fatty pad on there. Came with the small pad, I went and put the bigger pad on that guy.
Really, nigga?
My air bleeders, you can't see them, but can't hear them either.
Bruh.
Y'all wanna listen? All right. But yeah, got the aftermarket bleeders. You just screw them in, touch the button, boom, let the air out. Yeah, put some little guards on there. Little aftermarket sticker work done by me. Got the Tusk goddamn kick on there. All aftermarket painting done by the kid. I went and did the rims, all blue rims, you know what I'm saying, front and back. And you know, that's about it, you know. When he goddamn did something on the helmet, you know, little splash on the helmet, GoPro mount on the top, on the side, on the front. I got my microphone kit right there. I don't really use that junk, but I got the microphone kit on it. You know what I'm saying? That's about him, man. Got about 20 pair of goggles. We rocking with the FMF Supercross ones right now, you know, yeah. But yeah, man, that's right now as we stand, you know. Oh, I got the Kinder tires on there. You know, the Kinder tires, brand new skis. You know, new throttle cable. Oh, almost forgot. Electron carburetor. Tripping. I took the TMX off and put the electron carburetor in there, you know. Self-adjust, it do what it do. You know, I like it, you know what I'm saying? Make the bike responsive. It got a nice little bite to it. So I like the electron carburetor, you know. Yeah, man, like, oh yeah, the V-Force 3 reeds, you know, I threw them in there too. Yeah, man, went in there, changed the gears out, brand new. Bearings, seals, man, it's touch, man. It's touch in and out, man, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm in that break-in stage. New radiators, brand new racing radiators, brand new, 2 days old, you know. Yeah, man, the bike as of right now, it doesn't even have an hour on it. It got goddamn 26 minutes. Yeah, man. After YZ, as of right now, that's where we at. We rebuilt, you know what I'm saying, top to bottom, side to side, left to right, we rebuilt, baby. You did. So, yeah, man, I appreciate all y'all. Y'all tune in, stay tuned in, subscribe, like, comment, share, tell your auntie, mama, all that, baby daddy, sisters, cousins, all them folks, y'all. Alright, gang, so yeah, man, I just test rode it. Feeling a little alright, you know what I'm saying? You know, you rebuild some shit, you hear everything. You hear every tick, every knock, every ping. You be thinking this mass destruction. So I'm just gonna keep it easy, man, off the conscience. I did good. I'm just saying I did good. We're gonna keep the break-in going. So now I gotta go, man. I gotta go get me some more oil. Of course, we gotta drop all that, because I'm sure after all I did, it done dropped plenty of shavings. I done took the side case on, got a leak, antifreeze on the other side of the engine, had to drain over that guy. Yeah, man, we been going through it. So, on the way to the store, we go. You did. We be right back in that store. In that store. Yes, sir. I'm on that supermoto, man. Yes, this is the store to come and look like the shop over there. Hey. 40. Got it. Got it. Who bike is this? Oh, somebody.
This is a 21 KTM 450 Factory Edition.
Jesus.
You get the Troy Lee graphics on it.
I was just saying, man.
So it comes with an extra set of plastics. You got the factory ones, nice and clean.
Yeah. What's that going up right now? Straight off the lot.
This one runs from 13.
That's not bad. Ain't bad. I pay for it shit if I had it right now. I take it right now if I had 7,000 little extra more. Just to play with. Oh, babies. Yes, sir. So what's happening, gang? We back. It's late night. It's black outside. So, yeah, man, you see I went and put a little shirt on, changed the goggles to clear ones, But anyway, I went and rode it, right when it was getting dark. It was still kind of dark. I was pushing it. I know the neighbors gonna call. Anyway, picked the girl up from work. She ended up knocked out. Y'all should see it. Dead. Anyway, so now I'm gonna drop this oil. Got my big dirty oil pack. It must smell like all the cars. Drop this oil. And goddamn, of course I can't right now, but I'm gonna just go ahead and let the oil just seep out overnight. Let all the bad shit get out. And then of course, went to the store. Got another one of those. Y'all lube it, I'm breaking it in with, Anyway. So yeah, man. Drop this oil down. Go good in the shower, go to night time. I gotta get up, handle some business quick in the morning. Then I'm trying to get back here so I can get it ready, cause man, we might ride out this weekend. I got so many folks in the DM. I ain't even one of the biggest bike life guys out here. I'm trying to get there. But yeah, man, these folks is goddamn. They in the DM, they trying to ride this weekend and the next weekend coming up, and the next one, the next one, the next one. Y'all pray for IZ. Please.
That's $500 just for the jug. So I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. We got $900 for you, bro. We got $900 for you, bro. That's what.
900 for my boy YZ. Not this one. Listen, I'm gonna break it down. My carburetor over there costs $500, my dog. Know the gang Trey. You gotta call right this one. It's a 01 YZ, fully rebuilt. Top end, bottom end, gears, clutch, kick lever, exhaust, FMF, shorty in the back, rims dip, painted blue. Yeah, man. Got the new brake disc on the way. Pro taper bars, pro taper clutch, Cycle Gear Specialty, Fayetteville, Georgia. That's down here in Georgia, my boy. Yeah, man. Paint done by me on the frame, all the way. New radiators. Shit. Yeah, not on 900 over here. I fuck with you though, my boy. But back to the business. Drop that oil out. Do not say nothing. All this oil and residue was partly in there. Thank you. But anyway, yeah, man, it didn't look too bad. I did see a little bit of little chippings of metal and shit. That's not bad. That is not bad. I'm talking about barely seeing it. You know what I'm saying? That's not bad at all, though. You know what I'm saying? It's fully rebuilt. Everything in it was changed out. And for me to get barely, you don't really see nothing in there. Overnight, it's about to drip. Good night. We'll be back out the next morning, getting back to it.
So tonight, a dirt biking arrest turns dangerous for an Atlanta police officer. He broke his wrist trying to stop the reckless riders.
Jamie Kennedy is live at the Atlanta Police Air Unit. And Jamie, this group is creating chaos on the roads and endangering other drivers, right?
Yeah, absolutely, Rick, they were, and you can tell why police are so eager to get these ATV riders off the streets, and this is one of the major reasons that they're able to fight these groups. It's using their eye in the sky, their helicopter units, to really track down and pinpoint where these people are to make sure they aren't riding and hurting anyone else.
1624, 1624.
APD's Eye in the Sky on Tuesday helping to scour and take down dirt bike and ATV riders. The pursuit in the air happening because of damage to a vehicle by one of the riders and an officer being injured. My officers were dispatched to the area of southeast Atlanta in regards to an individual possibly injuring an officer, breaking his wrist. Police in the group, the chase leading officers all the way to Clayton County. It took us almost 40 minutes to make that arrest. So this individual, drove from southeast Atlanta, he went to southwest Atlanta, then he went to Clayton County. More department. Then he went to Clayton County. More department. Then he went to Clayton County. More department.
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.